Hello everybody, I'm Steven. Today let's try to guide you through the process of connecting Shopify with Printify and your print on demand. This integration is a game changer, so let's get started. First of all, with the understanding how Printify integration works. Now, Printify works for the benefits what you can achieve, the dual dream for the print on demand businesses. Printify is a really awesome place where you can get started actually to sell print on demand products, which that means products that you don't have, that you actually don't buy. But what you can do is just to add the actual elements of your store and then later on focusing into selling directly into your store. So that's the reason why I wanted to sell here into Printify. A really great place to sell framed horizontal posters, pajamas, mugs, Arctic flint blanket, and much more. So to get started here, let's set up your Printify account. So in order to get started with, there's two ways. The first way is to go directly into printify.com, setting up your account and then later on to make the actual integration. But to make the integration directly, speaking about specifically here into Shopify, the best and easy way is to do this directly inside the Shopify. So I'm gonna guys leave you a link down below in the description so we can all get started totally for free here into the Shopify. Once you do have your Shopify setting up correctly, what you wanted to do is not to focus here into the dashboard. Let's go and focusing now here into the left part. It says applications. Into applications, do you want to go here into apps and sales channel settings to be sent directly into the Shopify app store. Or what you can do to make it much more easier is just to open a new tab and tap here apps.shopify.com. Now that we are inside here, let's go here into search apps. Let's go for Printify. Into Printify, you wanted to focus here into the Printify. So what you wanted to do is to install this, and when you install this, automatically it's going to be sending you directly here into Printify. It's going to be asking you to sign up or to sign in. Once you have successfully created your account here into Printify, which the process is actually really simple, what you just need to do is to type with an email as well as a passcode, and then later on you're now inside Printify. You now have the actual integration between Printify and Shopify already been connected automatically. So the integration between Printify and Shopify should be done in no time. Now, just in case you wanted to do into the other way to do this manually, for example, is to have your Printify.com account already been set up. Now here, once you are inside the Printify, let's go here and type your stores, choose manage my stores. And what you wanted to do is to go for add new store. I'm going to delete the stores that I actually don't need. So you need to delete it. And as you can see, you have two stores that have been set up. So if I go for add new store, I choose, for example, I don't know, maybe Shopify. So I choose Shopify, I choose the URL to connect with my Printify. After I hit it to connect, it's going to be asking me to grant the access, and then we're actually good to go. How do we actually make sure that we are now connected between the Shopify and the Printify? If you go directly here and choose manage my stores, as you should see that we have one store that says connected. So as you can see, it says automatic 24, and as you can see, here's the actual link of my store. If I click on it, it's going to be popping up this new section of my store. That means that this store has been successfully connected from Shopify directly into Printify. So what is left to be done is to just make sure that we are able to add products from Printify and send it directly into Shopify. So what we want to do to make this really fast is just to use one design that we can send directly here into your Shopify. So choose, first of all, your store. After we're here into the store, what you want to do is to get started with the catalog. Let's go for men's clothing and go for t-shirts. So what I wanted to do is to get started with an actual new t-shirt. Let's say, for example, I wanted to get started with something in here. So I choose t-shirt. As you can see, here's all the colors that I can use. Let's go for start designing. Import your design. What I can totally suggest you is to add a design that is a PNG file without with an actual transparent background, so you can make this much more easier. And in my case, I just did the actual adding directly and publishing to my store. Now, as you should see here, I'm going to hit now into save. I'm going to go back, and as you should see here inside my dashboard of this product, you should see that we have my products. And in this case, this product that we have just added into the store says uploading images. This product will be sent to your Shopify store and is currently waiting for the mockup images to upload. This might be taking a while. Sometimes it might be taking like up to 2 minutes, so you don't have to worry about that. That totally depends on your design, the high quality image, and all of that. Just to make sure that we are successfully done here, let's go here into my products. And as you can see now, it says Geek Lut Unisex Tea by Nuts, the product that we actually directly added from Printify. If I go for view it directly from my store, as you can see, actually it looks really great. What is left to be added are the images, but so far actually it looks really great. So guys, that's how we can all get started with our actual store, the products here directly from Printify. So congratulations, because we have successfully connected the Shopify with Printify. So before we wrap up, I will show some pro tips. For example, making sure that you have a really great strong design into a PNG file with a transparent background. For example, this product that we actually use, these are design that we have just created for the Printify. The more resolution you have, the best chance to have a really great product. That's a really interesting stuff that you want to take that in mind. And number two, you don't want to add products that already are directly here inside your Printify. Don't sell only t-shirts, sell more stuff. For example, sell backpacks, sell cases, sell stuff that nobody else are ready to sell, and products. Sell products that people are afraid to sell on. You want to make sure that you actually are willing to sell more than just t-shirts out there. And I assure you guys that you might be getting a really great success here at the Printify and Shopify. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know in the comments below how the integration works for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. The Shopify printing collaboration is a recipe for success. Remember, you have the link down below in the description so we can all get started for free here into Shopify, having a huge deal later on. So explore the world of the on-demand printing and create products that stand out. Until next time, happy printing and selling.